guys, today I'm going to be installing this car seat forward facing. Ow. Anyway, I'm going to get this loose. Alright, so I got it all the way loose. So as you can tell by the title, I'm doing this, I don't know if I'm doing this both latch and seatbelt. Hopefully I end up doing this all in one video because this is a pain in the butt to record all this. So basically you want to make sure if you're using the seatbelt system or the latch system, you're going to unhook the tether, and you don't need this recline ball because this is forward facing. So in just a second to find the tether. Okay, so I got the tether unhooked. It's stored up here somewhere. Okay, I gotta get the flip foot. Okay, so I wanted to show you this. The flip foot has to be forward facing for this. And then you do want to install it in the middle seat if they have latch. They went somewhere, I don't know. Guys, this is hard. Okay, done. You're gonna make sure that you've got this ready. Okay. Oh yes, and if you're using latch, you're gonna want to take out the other latch one. If I can get it through. Car seats are complicated, which is why I'm here to help you with this today. Okay, gosh dang it. I got it stuck. Okay. So you want to make sure this isn't twisted as well. Then you gotta feed it back through the car seat. Sorry about all this trash, you guys. Finally, and make sure it's not twisted, so you want it to lay flat. Okay, so you're gonna need the tether using both modes. Got one attached. Let's get two attached. I feel like forward facing is easier. It's hard to find these anchors, jeez. I keep feeling with a latch, but oh. Make sure it's secure. Okay. Then we gotta tighten it. So you can use a knee. Oh, this does actually tighten easily. And then you want to test, make sure the movement is less than 1 inch, in which it is, so you would obviously just tighten it more. Okay, so for now, this is what we're gonna have to go with. And then I can show you the tether feeds through here to back here. And no, you don't just use this for latch, you use this for both. Oh, you don't want to take the head thing on this thing out. There. Okay. Make sure it's all the way up. so it's easier. It's twisted back here. And you're just gonna attach it to here. Just pull it tight, and then with all of this extra you have, that can go behind there if you would like. And the headrest and harness both move up when you squeeze that red button. Hold on a second. So okay, I gotta take this head thing off. So this goes like that. Sweating from all this effort. And this is all the way loose. To tighten the harness, you just pull this. This comes up too, but it's easier to loosen forward facing. You just press down on that button and pull the harness out at the same time. So now we're gonna go over how to install this forward facing with seat belt. So I'm gonna get this reset. I'll just see you in a second. Okay guys, so if you're installing it forward facing using the seatbelt mode, here's how you do it. I set everything back to rear facing. So basically you wanna slide these back through the bar and store them, because you won't be using them using the seatbelt mode. So there you go, they're stored away. So basically what you want to do is first unhook the tether. Hold up. All right, got it unhooked. Then you're going to make sure the recline foot is in forward facing position. So as well, I do want to show you how to do that. Basically, just gonna do it just like that. Make sure the tether is not twisted as well, like I did in rear facing. Oopsie. Okay, basically, now we're going to take the seat belt, so you guys can see what I'm doing. You're gonna take the seat belt, feed it through the forward-facing belt path, which will be marked with an orange label. And then pull this tight, and then pull it loose. It'll turn it to a special mode meant for car seats. Now to tighten it, you can use a knee for this. Just gonna press a knee, pull it as tight as you can. Okay. So, and then test it, make sure you can't move it more than an inch left to right, which I can't, but if I did, I would keep tightening it. And now you're going to do the tether and clip it onto here. Tighten it. Goodness gracious. Okay. It's twisted, but in reality, you want to make sure it's not. Okay, it's not anymore, so. Then with this, store it away, and to make the harness higher, you'd press that red button and adjust the headrest as well. So do what you gotta do to make it your child's height. Then this, I don't necessarily want to do this in this video, so hopefully you enjoyed. Oh yeah, and to uninstall it, just pretty much do that. And then to loosen this, you just lift this straight up and everything just comes right out. And then unhook. That stores there. And then this head thingy goes back. I'll click that in a minute, but anyway, now it's uninstalled. Yeah, go check out my other videos for rear facing, and yeah, bye.